Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by making a reliable backup and verifying your image file so you can revert if needed. Create a bootable USB using a recommended tool. This writes the OS correctly to the drive. Once done, check BIOS or firmware settings to enable USB or virtualization. Make sure Secure Boot or Legacy modes match the new OS requirements. This prevents installation errors and saves time, because preparation fixes most early failures before you ever reboot. You boot into the installer and pick a guided or manual partition strategy depending on risk tolerance. Manual gives control, guided is faster. During setup, create a primary user, set time zone and locale, and enable disk encryption if needed for security. This protects data if the device is lost. After first boot, install vendor drivers and system updates to ensure hardware works. Then add core apps and repositories so the OS is ready for everyday tasks. You finish by migrating files and adjusting settings so your workflows feel familiar. Test peripherals like Wi-Fi and audio to confirm functionality. Make a recovery USB and create system snapshots, or set up regular backups so you can restore quickly. If something goes wrong, check system logs and boot into safe or recovery mode to isolate the fault. Reinstall drivers or roll back to your backup. This step saves time and avoids data loss when troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.